In this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to a Google Doc with the brand new Listen to this tab feature. No third-party extension required. Let's get into it. First, open the Google Doc you want to listen to on your computer, desktop browser. Make sure the document has text. Empty docs won't read out. From the top menu, click on Tools. Select Audio, then choose Listen to this tab.
We've got you covered. Our tutorials provide straightforward answers to common problems.
Or click the Listen to this tab icon if it appears in your toolbar. This launches the floating audio player. Use the player controls to play, pause, scrub through the doc, and see the total duration. You can drag the little player anywhere on your screen. You can change the voice from the player controls. Click the three-dot menu. Select the Change Voice option. Preview voices like narrator, educator, teacher, etc. and pick the one you prefer by selecting it. To embed a one-click play button inside the document, click the three-dot menu and click the Insert Audio button. Clicking that button plays the doc for whoever opens it. This is perfect for proofreading, multitasking, or just giving your eyes a break. Keep in mind, this feature is rolling out to Gemini and Business Standard or higher accounts. So if you don't see it yet, it should appear soon. If you don't see the audio or listen option, the rollout is limited. The feature is being rolled out to Workspace and AI-eligible accounts. Make sure your browser and docs are updated and sign in with a Workspace or AI-eligible account. And that's it. That's how you can listen to your Google Docs or make Google Docs read aloud.
Just a concise, actionable guide. Clear explanations.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.